Hey guys, this is Nitya here and you're on our channel Let's Measure Lives from NS2 Diaries. If you're new here, then please consider subscribing to our channel, which motivates me to make more videos. So today I'm here to present you the review of the L'Oreal Smooth Intense Instant Smoothing Serum. If you're interested, then please continue watching. There are many variants in L'Oreal brand, and the one I am talking about today is L'Oreal Paris Smooth Intense Instant Smoothing Serum. Comes with the carton like this. It is nicely designed with the golden copper or copper golden color, and the serum comes in the container like this. The carton is designed to give more protection to the container inside, so it is double layer from inside. You can see at the bottom, and the top is also double layered. It works as a shock absorber when it is happen to fall down like that. And the serum comes in a container like this, and it has a flip-flop open. Coming to the consistency of the serum, you can see it is lightweight. It is lightweight, and it has a mild fragrance. I love this fragrance. It's like what to say, jasmine fragrance. Why to waste the product? I love the smell a lot. So L'Oreal recommends this serum for unmanageable dry hair, and it promises that it gives instantly smoothers, deeply nourishes, super smooth, manageable hair for 48 hours, and it contains argan oil in it. Coming to the price part, I have bought 100 ml container, and it is priced Indian rupees 250 for 100 ml serum. So my perspective on this serum is that while I am using this, really it glided on hair very much. The results are super amazing when applied on the 3 techniques that I mentioned on my hair serum videos. If you want to know those, please check my hair serum video, which I am linking in the description box below. So as I mentioned in that video, product claims the 2 application techniques, that is on very dry hair like I did now, and on the post washed towel dried damp hair. And yeah, it has 2 pictures of comparison pictures, which is normally dried and after using the serum, and it points out that the precious ingredient in this is argan oil, and it also gives you a smooth intense program to use L'Oreal Paris Smooth Intense shampoo for cleansing your hair and condition your hair with the Smooth Intense conditioner, and then use this L'Oreal Paris Smooth Intense serum. So yes guys, very nicely it sets the hair to its max, and it has its professional touch on this product. According to me, it's a nice product. See, buying this product or not is totally up to you. See, I am reviewing a product that I have brought and used for myself, is just to share the product with you. There is no any compulsion for you to buy this product, and I am sharing the things that are mentioned on the carton, and what are its promises, and what it claims to have, and their prices along with their net quantity, and my own experience on that product. Why I am mentioning this point is because see, one product may suit me that may not suit you, and each one of us have unique needs. See, I want hair serum for detangling my hair. Some may need serum for setting their hair, and some may need to control their frizz, and some may need just to add shine to their hair. So if the needs are different, then the search for products are also different. That's why I'm insisting this point. This not only limits to the serum but to all the products I review. Don't buy since I reviewed. Try it for yourself on your own and choose your products wisely. So if you're buying a product to make a trial on it, always buy the smaller quantity that is available on the brand. Some brands even sell their products in small sachets. You can go for that. And some products also have tester packs. If nothing is available, then you have to go for the minimum capacity bottles to use. So choose your product wisely, friends. Thank you. That's all for today, friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, then please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. And until I catch you on my next video, this is Nitya signing off. Stay healthy and be happy. Bye bye.